All right. Today we're looking at this 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. This Volkswagen silly sunshade. This is the same one they put in the A3 also that I have. Unfortunately, the little strings that pull it forward and back, this kind of snapped off, and so we taped it up just to keep it closed because it does sag. Today we're going to try to fix this. We have a new cassette. They come color-coded because there's different colors for these, for the various interiors. And we also got a repair kit just in case I need that as well. Remove this glass. You can almost see it from here. On the inside of the sunroof, on either side, there's like here, the glass rides on this channel in there. You see the channel here, actually. And you can see how the glass is connected by essentially only a few screws. You see there's screws in there. We're going to take those off and see if we have this kind of open, right? This is also broken. Another MK7 Jetta, beautiful feature. The GLIs magically don't have this feature. Okay, so here is the basically indents where you can remove the sunroof screws. 4, 1, 2, 3, and then a fourth one all the way down that sits inside of the front entry there. So 4 on each side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like a paint mark on the metal there to create an alignment reference mark on either side, so that when I put it back I can kind of like generally align it before tightening it all down. And fun fact for the future, that rear screw actually doesn't have a bottom piece to it, so you just need to loosen that one and lift off. The important part when you're looking at it closed is that the front is actually sunken a little bit. If you see that, the front's sunken a little bit and the rear slightly raised. And there's some specs for this. I'll put it in the comments or the description, but you can see this one's not so bad, but it is slightly raised. We have another of the same vehicle. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. You can see that is slightly raised there on the rear. There it is. And then the front, same deal, should be slightly sunken in. And that's the way the water can go into the drains here when it does sit on the roof. And so we have 2 things that we purchased from the parts diagram. This is the first one. It's called repair kit. This part number, on the other hand, is the entire sunshade. And if you see that 3EQ at the end, that's for the color code. This is an original Volkswagen part from FCP Euro. So we're going to open this and take a look at what's inside. There for now. Looks like it comes with this front piece, the roller in the back, and a new string. Fun. On either side, that's not exactly pre-wired yet. And you see there's a T25 in there, and then 2, 3 back there, and then a fourth one is actually in the back further. There's a fourth one back there. So got my towels. Case protected. Wedged up. Now we're going to try to get in there and try to get that last screw from the back. That's going to be fun. We'll see how that goes. Okay, let's see here. So we have the rail. This is what we just dismounted from, and I lost a couple screws on this side. I'll go get them in a second. But this is the sliding situation. This covers the roller, and something in here broke because it came out of the channel there. So let's see, where did I leave my screws? There's one here. Gotta love the magnet. And then the other one that was back here is in that little channel there. Ah. Yes, all right. Are these 25s also? Or are they 20s? They look like 20s. So they switched to 20. Oh, so it doesn't just come off upwards. It's probably going to come off, most like it's going to come off pushing outwards. So let's see. Just like that, outwards. And now we've unveiled this piece. Let's go see what we have in the kit. Because this looks like it just kind of popped off. Oh, I see. It popped off of this little thing here. It was just sitting there. And on the other side, it's broken, actually. That little thing on the other side is broken. Which appears to be the repair kit. Huh. Let's go take a look. If we're looking on this side here, the roller is supposed to be, I guess, on these little wheelers. And this appears to be broken, although it just like pops on and off. Looks like that plastic clip broke on there. It's supposed to be on here like this, so that's why it doesn't roll. So now I can get this to roll backwards. At the very least, right? Get this to roll backwards. Uh-oh. How does this thing go on now? Because it broke off. It's totally broken, that thing. Because this one seems to have broken also. Stupid little plastic crap. But luckily I think that is the repair piece. I hope. Doesn't look like maybe that's at all that. So we shall see. So it looks like the repair piece is not the thing that broke. It's this little mounting bracket thing that broke. Because this one is full and the other one is like a half semicircle because it cracked somehow. So there's the motor and everything. This repair kit is not much of a repair kit. It doesn't have the piece that breaks. This unfortunately does not have any new plastic guides. Oh, crap, man. That's such crap. Alright, so if you're doing this, make sure you get those little plastic guides. What other kit were you supposed to get, man? Well, since we're unable to actually fix this because we're missing the little plastic broken pieces that this sits on, and also, as it turns out, a separate plastic broken piece that goes onto here and holds this piece from falling out of the channel as it slides through this little channel here. Both of those are missing. And so since both of those are missing, that's the new part. That's the separate repair kit for the slider system. It includes separate repair kit, includes these new sliders for the front, these guys, and the bushings or whatever it uses to keep it level. I'm just gonna have to put this back broken, but at least now I have it all rolled up in the back, pushed out, so that my sister can use her sunroof again normally. She just won't have a shade.